Zaytoven Biography. Birth name Hexier Lemur Dodson, also known as Zaytoven. Date of birth January 12, 1980. Present age 43 years old as of 2023. Birthplace Frankfurt, Germany. Profession record producer and songwriter. Zodiac sign Capricorn. Religion Christianity. Years active 1997 to present. Education not revealed. Height 5 feet 3 inches. Weight 73 kilograms. Eye color black. Hair color also black. Body type slim. Ethnicity African American. Marital status married. Wife Stephanie Dodson. Nationality American. Let's start the hobbies. He likes singing. He likes listening to music. And he likes swimming. Let's start the social media facts. He is quite famous on Instagram. Also famous on YouTube. Net worth $6 million approx. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for future updates.